Hello all of you out there on the interwebs. My name is Nick, also known as Devine from Devine Tech Solutions. Today's video we will be swapping out my Ryzen 5 3600 with a Ryzen 5 5950X, hoping to the absolute Lord that my board supports it. Yeah. Oof. Here it is, my Ryzen 9 5950X. 32 megabytes of L3 cache. Very powerful processor. Faster than a 5800X 3D. Because it has 8 more cores. I think. It's a very hot looking processor. Oh boy. Let's bring out Crimson 7. There it is. Excuse my reflection on the tempered glass panel. That is Crimson 7, about to receive the 5950X thing. Okay, first things first. Remove the heatsink. Has 2 screws. One there, and one there. The fan needs to come off first. Stand by while I do that. Step 3, move the fan out the way once disconnected from the heatsink. Step 4, remove the heatsink. Step 5, okay, I'm gonna stop making it obvious now. Out with the old heap of shit. In with the beast. Let's get some thermal compound on that. Step 5 and 6, wash and dry heatsink. And also clean off the old thermal compound with either isopropyl alcohol, Q-tips, and or Q-tips and contact cleaner, because contact cleaner works perfect on this. Step 7 and 8, mount heatsink. Plop the fan back on the heatsink. Bang bang. Step 8, button her up. Or if I said step 8, yeah, must have got that wrong. Anyway. Step 9, button her up. Step 10, something. Step 11, profit. Because it's gonna work. And don't ask me why I have mismatching RAM, that's just due to their age. That is a lot of CPU cores. Well, processors, logically, if you will. There are 16 cores in this thing and 32 threads. I'm gonna hold my finger up about here, there we go. You can see 16 cores there. If I remove my hand, there's 32 threads. Which quite simply means if you plop the right amount of thermal compound down, which I did, pea size, you only need this much, Any thermal compound will do. You just need a big ass heatsink. That being said, Godspeed. Time to upload this to not only my YouTube channel, but my OnlyFans profile. Link in the description below. If you're a woman. Anyway, Godspeed, ladies and gents. I've been Nick from Devine Tech Solutions. If you guys want one of these, link in the description below for my Facebook page. Click it. Godspeed. Whoa.